Hi, my name's Daniel Bos, and I've been part of the project Retracing Footsteps, and we've currently got an exhibition at the moment at the Grosvenor Museum in Chester. So as you can see, this exhibition is focusing on some of my research, which has been looking at the visitors' books that were housed at the summit of Yr Wyddfa in the 19th century. So I've been trawling through these visitors' books and working with members of staff in art and design to curate an exhibition which has been looking at juxtaposing text from extracts from the visitors' books and photographs of the contemporary experience of Yr Wyddfa today. So what I've really enjoyed about this project is uncovering these lost voices about how people have engaged with their mountains. A lot of them have been really interesting in the sense of the humour that they use in the extracts, the creativity, the poetry, and some of the sketches as well that people drew, which accounted for their experiences on top of the mountain. So today we've had a great workshop with the Eryri National Park Authority to discuss how these ideas can be taken forward. There's been lots of discussion about the ways in which we can incorporate a visitor book at Hafod Eryri, and also to think about future exhibitions and outreach activities, which is all really exciting.
Helo, Naomi Jones dwi'n beneth treftadaeth diwylliannol y Parc Cenedlaethol, a mae yna gyfle anhygoel yma i gofnodi enwau lleoedd. Mae'n gyffrous iawn bod cymaint o'r enwau lleoedd Cymraeg hanesyddol wedi cael eu cofnodi yn y llyfrau lloffion ac ar y map tu ôl i fi. Ac mae yna gyfle gwych i ddefnyddio'r enwau yma rwan i gael eu cofnodi yn y gwaith ehangach da ni'n gwneud fel awdurdod y maes enwau lleoedd.